everyone, welcome back. Today I will explain for you how you can divide by 2-digit number. Look at there, from there we have 3-digit numbers. We will divide by 2-digit number. And also in another subject, finding quotients, also we have 3-digit number. We will divide by 2-digit number. In the first subject, we will use the usual way you use it in the divide by 1 digit. And from the finding quotient, we try to find the quotients or answers. Now maybe students say, teacher, when you use the usual ways and when you use the trying to find the answer, please take it easy and now stay with me to learn. We have practice in page 121. Look at this example. We have 148 divided by 12. Look at this divisor. It's 2-digit number. So from there we put line under 2-digit number at left. Okay, you have 14. 14 it's more than 12, so you can divide it. Say 40 divided by 12 equal 1, and 1 multiplied 12 equal 12. Write the 12 under 40. After that put the minus and subtract them. 4 minus 2 equal 2, and 1 minus 1 equals 0, and you can write the 0. Okay, now we have 2. It's less than 12. After that we put down the last digit. We have 8. You get 28. From the second step we divide 28 by 12. If you know the answer, if you can't find the answer, you can put your hands on this 8 and on 2. It's be easier. You say 2 divided by 1 equal 2, and you multiply this 2 by 12. Okay, 2 multiplied 12 equal 24. After that we also put the minus and subtract them. 8 minus 4 equal 4, and 2 minus 2 equals 0. So 148 divided by 12 equal 12, and remainder 4. And so 4 it's less than 12. We don't have any step more. And look at this example. We have 483 divided by 20. 20 it's 2-digit number, so we put line under 2 first digit number at left. We have 40. We divide 40 by 20. You can divide it because 48 it's more than 20. So if you can find the answer easily, you can put your hand on 8 and on 0. We say 4 divided by 2 equal 2. And please watch out, you must be 2 multiplied by this 2-digit numbers. Okay, multiplied by 20. You can say 2 multiplied 20, or you can say 2 multiplied 0, it's 0, and 2 multiplied 2, 4. Write the 4 and the 40 under the 48. And like every time we put the minus and we subtract them. 8 minus 0 equal 8, and 4 minus 4 equal 0. And 8 it's less than 20, and we have the last digit. You can put down the 3, we get 83. Now from the second step we divide 83 by 20. Also you can put your hand from the 0 and on the 3. You divided 8 divided by 2 equal 4, and we multiply 4 by 20. You can know that we say 4 multiplied 20 equal 80, and you can say 4 multiplied 0, 0, and 4 multiplied 2, 8. Write 80 under the 83 and put the minus again. So 3 minus 0, 3, and 8 minus 8 is 0. 3 it's remainder less than 20, so we don't have any step more. It is about the usual way you learned it. And we have example in page 122 about finding quotients. Also we have 3-digit number divided by 2-digit number, but look at there, we have 184 divided by 21. If you put the line under 18 2-digit numbers, 18 it is less than 21, so we can not divide by 21. you must be divide 3 digits together. Okay, you say 184 divided by 21. So it's not easy to find the answer. You must be try to find the answer. So we say 184 divided by 21. From the first time we try the 9, put the 9. So we multiply 9 by 21. You can multiply from the first time by 1 and after that by 10. 9 multiplied by 1 equal 9 and 9 multiplied 2 equal 18. So look at there, we get 189. 189 it's more than 184. We can subtract it, and if you use the break apart also we can do it, because 189 is greater than 184. So the 9 it is too high. You must be choose the number less than 9. So we choose 8. After 9 the less number is 8. So 184 divided by 21, you say 8. Let's try it. 8 multiply 21. So from the first time we say 8 multiply 1 equal 8, and 8 multiply 2 equals 16. Look at there, from there we have 184 and 168. So 168 it is less than 184. We can subtract them. So we subtract them. 4 minus 8 you can do it, but you can take break apart. You have 8 and you get 7 and 4 you get 14. 14 divide minus 8 equals 6, and 7 minus 6 we get 1, and 1 minus 1 0. So 8 it is correct. Look at this example also. You have 244 divided by 27. If you put line under 24, look at there, 24 is less than 27. You can divide by 27. You must be divide 3 digit numbers together. We say 244 divided by 27. So you must be try to find the answer. 244 divided by 27. From the first time we say 9. Let's try it's correct or no. So we put the 9. After that we multiply by 27. From the first time let's multiply by 10. After that by 10. 9 multiply 7 equals 63. So write 3 and 6 it's regroup, and after that 9 multiplied by 2 we get 18, and we have 6 we get 24, and now 243 it is less than 244. So you can subtract it. 4 minus 3 equal 1, and 4 minus 4 0. 2 minus 2 0. So 1 is remainder less than 27. So we don't have any step more. 9 is correct